So this is Project Overlander's van.
Project Overlander. The idea is, you know, when I go to Morocco and places like that, you know, in Portugal, and he's Ed. Yes. Yes.
Oh, I forgot.
And all self-made?
Yeah, it's all self-made inside. It's basically cost about 500 quid. You can go inside. I'll put lights on, it's easy. But
Oh wow.
basically I got this unit first out of a caravan. So we've got the oven, the stove, the fridge, sinks. So I've got that unit and I've got that in place. I'm basically built round it. I've just got to redo this. I'm having all new worktops and sort of tarting it up. But built the toilet, wardrobe. We did have the beds as two singles, so there's like seating.
Oh yeah.
Made into a bed. But because I'm practically living this full time, I needed a fixed bed.
Yeah.
So it was always fixed. So I've raised it up, so I've got loads more space now. But like things like from reclaimers, all these cupboard doors were 50p each.
Wow.
This oak, like a line, it's like a ply. It was from Magnums, and they had a massive sale on for 10 quid a sheet. It was 8x4s, and you can literally cut it with a Stanley knife. So it's just basically stuck straight on top of MDF. So we got.
It's a really impressive, expensive look as well, doesn't it?
Yeah, but it's all the MDF was 30 quid for all the sheets I needed.
Yeah.
We were just doing it on a budget because the whole point of this, I run a homeless project called Still Human Outreach. So it was like our little base van, and we can use this. We have the computer set up. We can get the guys in, making coffees.
Yeah. Wow.
You know, and it was also emergency backup at the time, but then I got a divorce, so I ended up sort of living in it well myself. So, but yeah, we're just slowly getting there, fixing all the extras in, and I mean, it didn't have like water tanks or anything in it.
Yeah.
So all them are starting to get in there. We've got a full big solar system on the roof, which powers everything.
And that's your charge controller there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got 275 watt amp solar panel on the roof. In the front for the setups, this turned into a bed.
Yeah.
An extra bed, but then we've got a custom built camp bed. Like a proper one which sits, you can't see it very well in there, but it sits on the door frames, so it's beautiful. It's like almost like a hammock, and my lads fight over that. They love it in there.
Yeah, what we ended up for doing a frontier on it, we found like a blow up air mattress, and it fills up into footwells, so it doesn't tipple down. That's how we got around that one. But
it just leaves you the space up in here then, you know, in the mornings and having breakfast and things.
Well, it's really impressive.
It's getting there. I mean, you can do them on a budget, you know. It's, like I've told a lot of people, you know, we help a lot of people to get off, you know, want to go off grid and have a van and live full time. Is to like buy a caravan for 500 quid and just gut it.
Yeah.
Just the things like the sink and the cookers, and I mean, a Smith sink's 250 quid.
Yeah.
It's like, but you can almost fit a complete.
Yeah.
But then with that you get all the electrics. Because I've got all the RC units in there, and all the cables and the hookups and the battery chargers and everything that comes out of a caravan. The only thing I didn't get is like all the heating system.
Yeah, yeah.
It was a bit too old for that. But yeah, if you can, you know, I've got Propex heating system in this. When I fitted it, I didn't have the Chinese heaters want around. So.
No. Well, yeah, you've done an absolutely amazing job.
It's getting there. I mean, these are just draw fronts. You know, we just put them on magnetic catches.
Yeah.
Didn't put handles on to make it more flush. There's enough gap just to pull them. But they work brilliant.
Yeah, and we've got same storage over at cab area there, and it's
just
surprising what you can fit in there.
Oh, I know. That's the moment. At the moment, I just need to rip everything out and just restock everything again. So we're getting there, really.
Well, thank you for letting us have a look around.
That's all right.
Absolutely fantastic. And good luck in, do you say Morocco?
Yeah. Well, I sort of do Europe and stuff. Well, we're all over. But it's just awkward at the moment with kids and you know, finding the time. But
Wow.
no, we don't know what the future's going to hold yet. But no, it's just more because wild camping is my thing.
Yeah.
And that's what I built it for, really. It's going to be all fully raised. It's got a 100mm lift kit coming. And get more big sidebars and lots of extras to come.
It'll look a beast.
Yeah, that's what I want it for. But it's also blends into the countryside.
Yeah.
That's why I've done it in the Raptor, in the green Raptor now. So it just sort of blends when you're in fields, and you can hide away a little bit more in the corner.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.